Okay, cool. So obviously starting off with some primer as per usual because you want your skin to break out whatever. Eyebrow concealer, gonna cover up some dark spots, some moles, some scarring from pimples, all of that stuff you don't want, you know what I mean? Setting spray onto my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to dab, blend that all in. Not gonna use foundation, just a concealer and this. Cool, I got this new luminizer stuff from Eyebrow. Just gonna put that like as underneath highlighter on the parts I want to highlight on my face, as you can see. You can't see it properly right now, but it's super shiny, super glittery, like very glittery, very shiny, very cute. And I'm gonna blend that in. Eyebrow time. My eyebrows actually wow, it was actually so quick and easy for me to do my eyebrows on this day. I don't know why they were behaving so well. I literally just outlined them, filled them, and I was a done girl, like a done girl. They looked so good. They looked so good. Like, just look at how quickly and easily I'm doing my brows. I'm not even gonna like cut anything out because I was shook. I was like, wow, that's it. Look at that one eyebrow done already. And okay, look at this eyebrow. It's wow. Look at that, like precision. Everything was just working out. Done, guys. What? You can't beat this. I'm joking. Anyways, eyeshadow by INGLOT. Super pigmented, really pretty. Gonna do like a sunsetty look. It looks really nice and cute. So I'm using like this dark orangey, reddish, brownish color, which I love and adore. And I'm gonna put that on the edge of my eyelid and gonna make like an archy thing on the crease, like this. I actually wanted to leave it like that at some point, but I was like, nah. That's not that type of party. Blending. No harsh lines, you know. And then I'm gonna go into the yellow one and put that onto my eyelid. Cool. Next, I'm just gonna put some of that red stuff on my bottom lash line, I guess. Yeah, just to fill it up. And then some white eyeliner on the bottom, and then some black eyeliner on the top. Now I'm gonna use some liquid liner and create a wing. I really struggled with this wing. The first one was like really good, but the second one was just not cooperating. I don't know what was going on, but I cut most of it out because it was just not working out. But you know what I mean, just do a wing. Mascara by Essence. I talk about this mascara all the time, it's beautiful. And then highlighter featuring my boyfriend, and I'm using that pink baby lips thing as blush. Putting on my cheeks, mixing it with the highlighter, giving some life to my face. Blend, always blend. More highlighter. That nose highlight has to be snatched. You know what I mean? Eyebrow highlight has to be snatched. Okay. And just more highlight, you know, just like more highlights, because those pictures need to be popping, right? Like, you're welcome. Blend it, always blend it so it just melts into your skin. Shake it up. Also, you can spray it, obviously. Shake it up, spray it everywhere. Dry, and then, you know, dab out the spots that still need to be dabbed, whatever, and then you're a done girl. Like, that's it. You're welcome.